Good morning, students. Welcome to session 16 of chapter algebraic expressions. Okay. So yesterday I have given you five examples as homework. So did most of you have sent me good. And today we'll look at exercise 11.4 second bit. So in the first bit I have explained the 3 problems, right? And the remaining 5 problems is your homework. Okay. Exercise 11.4 first bit I have explained the 3 sums and the remaining 5, total we have 8 here. I have explained the 3 and the remaining 5 will be your homework for today, for this session. Okay. So let us look at same exercise second bit. Evaluate the following by suitable identities. Okay. So see the first one, I have already explained the first one I think yesterday. Isn't it? Same kind of example I have explained, right? See, example 9. Yes, example 9. Find 204 whole square. Right? Sorry, 204 square ni mana em rasam 200 plus 4 whole square అని రాసాం కదా. So same with 304 ni kuda we will be writing same like that only. So okay, I will explain you. Don't worry. 304 square anundi. So what we will do with this? Let us see. So this solution 304 square and this can be written as 300 plus 4. 304 can be written as 300 plus 4 whole square. So we'll use the identity we use here is, it looks like it resembles a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, where a is equal to 300, b is equal to 4. Substitute in that, appudu em avutundi 300 plus 4 whole square is equal to 300 square plus 4 square plus 2 into 300 into 4, 2ab, 2 into a into b. Now 300 square ante 3 square is 9, 4 zeros kada, 2 zeros ki square ante 4 zeros, 90,000 plus 4 square is 16 plus 2 3s 4, 4 4s, sorry 2 3s 6, 6 4s 24. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Now answer 90,000, 2400 and 16. So 92416. 92416. Okay. Check the answer. Exercise 11.4 second bit first one. Exercise 11.4 second bit first one. Second bit first one. 92416. Right? That's it. So I'll try to cover all the 8 problems, okay? I'll try to tell you, explain all the 8. If not, I'll give you, okay, already I have given you homework. So let me complete this all the 8 problems. Second one, 509, sorry, third one. Yeah, sorry, second one. Previous one is first one, now I'm telling you the second one. 509 whole square, even this is same as the previous one. Okay, or you do it this on your own. 509 ante 500 plus 9, that's it. Same sum, number change ante 500 plus 9 whole square. Let us do 992 square. So 992 square can be written as, this can be written as so మనకి ఏది ఈజీ, దీన్ని మనం 990 plus 2, right? 990 plus 2 అని రాయొచ్చు, కానీ ఏమవుతుంది మనం 990 స్క్వేర్ అని రాస్తాం, రైట్? అప్పుడు a plus b హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది, a స్క్వేర్ అంటే 990 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. 990 స్క్వేర్ అంటే it will be difficult to multiply. 990 into 990 that will be difficult. So always plus యూస్ చేయాలని ఏం లేదు. It should be an identity. దీన్ని మనం వేరే విధంగా రాసుకుంటే అది ఒక ఐడెంటిటీ అవ్వాలి. అప్పుడు దీన్ని ఏమని రాసుకోవచ్చు మనము? So this is the very nearest is 1000, right? 1000 minus 8 whole square. 1000 minus 8 ఎంత 992 కదా. So నేను 1000 minus 8 అని రాసుకున్నాను. Now the identity we use here is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, where a is equal to 1000, b is equal to 8. Now 1000 minus 8 whole square is equal to 1000 square, a square కదా 1000 square plus b square అంటే 8 square minus 2000 అంటే a into b అంటే 8. Now 1000 square, 1 square is 1. How many zeros? 3 zeros. దాన్ని డబల్ చేయండి, 6 zeros అవుతాయి. 5 6 ప్లస్ 6 కదా. చూడండి మల్టిప్లై చేసుకోండి 1000 into 1000 ని. మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? 1 1 1. How many is the 6 zeros? That's it. Okay, simple. 8 square is 64 minus 2 ones 2, 2 into 8 16. How many zeros? 3 zeros. Okay, now 10 lakhs I think. It's not, sorry. Okay, now let's see. So 10 lakhs minus 16,000 change first. 10 lakhs, okay, minus 16,000. Remove 0 0 0. 10 minus 6 4. 9 minus 1 8. This one 9. 9 8 4 triple 0. దీనికి 64 యాడ్ చేయండి. 984064. 984064. Check the answer. Same exercise, third sum. Exercise 11.4, second bit, third one. 11.4, second bit, third one. 984064, right? Okay. Next, 799 square. Next one, third one, fourth one. 799 square. So 799 square can be written as, so 799 square can be written as how much? This is very near to 800, right? 799 next number is 800, right? So అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది కదా మనకి 800 minus 1 whole square. Okay, same step again. The identity we use here is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, where a is equal to 800, b is equal to 1. Now 800 minus 1 whole square is equal to 800 square plus 1 square minus 2 into 800 into 1. 800 square ఎంతమ్మా? 8 square అంటే 64 కదా. ఎన్ని zeros వస్తాయి? ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది, దానికి స్క్వేర్ ఉంది అంటే డబుల్ అవుతున్నాయి. 4 zeros plus 1 minus 2 8 16, 16 into 1 16 and 2 zeros. Now 6 4 4 zeros minus 1600. 0 0. 10 minus 6 4. 9 minus 1 8 3 6. దీనికి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే 638401. 638401. Check the answer. 638401. Okay. Now ఇక్కడ కొంచెం పెద్ద పెద్ద సమ్స్ అన్నమాట. ఇప్పటి నుంచి ఫిఫ్త్ సమ్ చూడండి. సో ఈ సమ్స్ అన్ని కూడా బేసిక్స్ అన్నమాట. ఇప్పటి వరకు చేసిన వాటికి ఇవన్నీ హాఫ్ సమ్స్. Let us see now the fifth sum. 304 into 296. 304 into 296. One second. Yeah. 304 into 296. Now, first 304 can be written as solution. 304 can be written as 300 plus 4, right? Okay? 304 ని 300 plus 4 లాగా రాసుకున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ into or నేను బ్రాకెట్ పెట్టుకుంటా. 296 can be written as 300 minus 4, right? This is 300 plus 4, this is 300 minus 4. And this resembles which identity? The identity we use here is a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square, where a is equal to 300, b is equal to 4, right? Now, so substitute the formula lo ఏమవుతుంది 300 plus 4 into 300 minus 4 is equals to a square అంటే 300 square minus b square అంటే 4 square. 300 square అంటే ఏంటమ్మా 3 square అంటే 9. How many zeros? 4 zeros. Minus 4 square అంటే 16. Now 90,000 minus 16. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 and 8. 89984, right? అంతే కదా? 89984. Check the answer. Simple sums, చాలా simple sums ఇవన్నీ. 11.4 89984. ఓకేనా? That's it. అన్ని ఐడెంటిటీస్ బేస్డ్ సమ్స్ అన్నమాట. ఓకే, అర్థమైందా? You want to explain one more time? Okay, let me tell you one more time. Let me explain it. 304 ఉంది, దాన్ని మనం 300 plus 4 లాగా రాసుకున్నాం. 296 ఉంది, దీన్ని 300 minus 4 లాగా రాసుకున్నాం. Because ఎందుకు ఇలా రాసుకున్నాం అంటే it should resemble some identity. ఇది ఒక ఐడెంటిటీ లాగా మనకు కనిపించాలి. ఏది మనకున్న ఐడెంటిటీస్ 5 or 6 ఉన్నాయి కదా, సో ఆ వాటిలో ఒక ఐడెంటిటీ లాగా ఏదైనా మారాలి. సో అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనము? దీన్ని 290 plus 6 రాసుకుంటే both will be different. It doesn't resemble any other identity, right? We don't have any identity like that, but we have an identity which looks like this, right? A plus b into a minus b, where a should be same and b should be same. ఇక్కడ 300 a అయింది, అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ కూడా అదే అవ్వాలి. ఇక్కడ b 4 అయింది, ఇక్కడ కూడా b 4a అవ్వాలి. So that's called resemblance. Okay, now the identity we use here is a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square, where a is equal to 300, b is equal to 4. అప్పుడు ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? a square minus b square అంటే 300 square minus 4 square. 300 square అంటే 90,000 minus 4 square అంటే 16. ఇవి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు in difference you will get 89984 as the answer. Okay, now let's look at sum number 6. One చిన్న sums, so that's why I'm explaining you all. So that we can start fresh exercise and fresh class, fresh session tomorrow. Now let's see sum number 6, 83 into 77. 83 into 77. Sixth sum, 83 into 77. So here same as previous sum. 83 can be written as 80 plus 3. 77 can be written as 80 minus 3. Same again. Write down the identity we use here is 80 plus 3 into 80 minus 3. అంటే ఏం రిజల్ట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి కదా మనకి a plus b into a minus b again. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది a square minus b square. ఫార్ములా రాసుకున్నాం. Now what is a value? 80. What is b value? 3. Write down where a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 3. Now substitute చేయండి. 80 plus 3 into 80 minus 3 is equals to 80 square minus 3 square. What is 80 square? 8 square is 64 10 kada ante danki double 2 zeros. Minus 3 square is 9. 6400 minus 9 1936, right? 6391. Okay, that's it. Exercise 11.4 sixth sum. 11.4 sixth sum. 6391. And next 109 into 108. Get next seventh one. 109 into 108, right? So 109 into 108, which identity it resembles? Okay, let's see. Now 109 can be written as 100 plus 9 into 100 plus 8. So here it doesn't resemble like a plus b, sorry, a minus b into a plus b kaadu, a plus b into a plus b kaadu, because 100 is same but this is different. 100 same undi dani a అనుకోవచ్చు, మరి 9 8 ఉంది, వాటిని ఏమనుకుంటాం మనం? So here also we have one more identity. The identity we use here is x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b. So దానికి ఏం రాసుకుందాం మనం? x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, right? అదే కదా మనం రాసుకున్నది, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is our formula here. This is formula for this identity, okay? Where sorry, yeah, x is equals to 100. X place lo 100 undi, a place lo 9 undi, b place lo 8 undi. Whatever, you can take 8 as a, 9 as b also, no issues. Okay, appudu em avutundi manaki 100 plus 9 into 100 plus 8 is equal to, ఈ ఫార్ములా కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. x స్క్వేర్ అంటే 100 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ a ప్లస్ b 9 ప్లస్ 8 ఇంటూ x, x అంటే 100 ప్లస్ ab అంటే a ఇంటూ b అంటే 9 ఇంటూ 8. 100 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 140, రైట్? ప్లస్ 9 8 72 into 100 plus 9 8 72. Now this one 10,000 again plus 72 into 100 7200 plus 72. So add all this. 10,000, 7200 plus 72. 17272 is our answer. 17272. Check out. Exercise 11.47 sum, right? 11.471. Oh, it's double one. Double one, double seven, two. Somewhere 10,000, 8 nines, 72 into 100, 7200, 17272. I don't think we did something wrong. I think the answer is wrong here. Let's check one more time. 100 plus 9 into 100 plus 8, right? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Formula is right. Formula correct గా మనం రాసుకున్న ఐడెంటిటీ x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Yes, this is right. X is equal to 100, a is equal to 9, b is equal to 8. Now 100 plus 9 into 100 plus 8 is equal to 100 square plus a plus b into x. A is 9 plus we went wrong here. See here, sorry. This is 9 plus 8, which will be 17. Okay, 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 into 100 is 1700. Okay, now the answer will be 1700, which will be 27. This is 7 1 1 double 1 double 7 2. Okay, okay now, right? So here we did mistake. This is we multiplied this one, but this should be addition, right? So add it, 17 you will get, it will be 1700 and the answer will be changed. Okay, so this is sum number 7. Let's move on to sum number 8, the last one. 204 into 206. Two 204 into 206. Eighth one. 204 into 206. So 204 can be written as same as previous one. 200 plus 4 into 200 plus 6. Again, now the identity we use here, is same. X plus a into x plus b, which will be x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, where x is equal to 200, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 6. So now 200 plus 4 into 200 plus 6 is equal to x square, and 200 square plus a plus b, 4 plus 6 into x. X is 200 again, plus ab, which will be 4 into 6. 200 square అంటే 2 square అంటే 4 అమ్మా. 2 zeros square కాబట్టి మనం డబుల్ చేస్తాము, 4 zeros అవుతున్నాయి. ప్లస్ 4 plus 6 అంటే 10. 10 into 200 plus 4 into 6 is 6 4 24. Now this will be 40,000 plus 10 into 200 is 2,000 plus 24. 40,000, 2,000 and 20. This is 24. Sorry. Now 42024 is your answer. 42024. Okay, let's check. 11.4 last one, second bit last one. 42024. Okay, so with this we have completed this exercise. Okay, so 11.4 first bit I have explained you 3 sums and the remaining 5 sums will be your homework, and second bit we have completed everything. I think I left with the second one 509 square, అది కూడా చేసేయండి హోంవర్క్ క్లియర్ గా ఎక్సర్సైజ్ నెంబర్ బిట్ నెంబర్ క్లియర్ గా పెట్టి చేయండి. ఓకే, అండ్ డోంట్ డు ఫాస్ట్ గా చేసడం వల్ల ఇందాక మనం చేసినట్టుగా చిన్న మిస్టేక్ పోతుంది. సో డోంట్ డు దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ మిస్టేక్స్ అండ్ డోంట్ రిపీట్ ఇట్. ఓకే, so next anything else we have 11 before moving on to 11.5 exercise, we'll see some examples also here. We have some introduction, we'll go with that, then we'll move on to the exercise 11.5 and we'll be completing this chapter soon. Okay, so thank you, hope you understood all these sums.